In this video, I will show you how to use Yahoo Mail, easy and quick for beginners. So after downloading your Yahoo Mail from Play Store or App Store, you have to create an account or login, and then it will open directly here on the inbox page. Here you will find all your email. You will find it here, guys. Your send email and draft everything, you can find it here. And if you wanna send an email, click here and send email. If you click here, guys, you found your subscription, here your recipe. And if we back here and we click here, we can find here our account. We want to add an account and manage it, notifications. Here we can find the settings. Here you can control the settings in Yahoo Mail. And that's all, guys. The application is very useful. If you swipe to the right, you can mark as unread. If you swipe to left, you can mark it as archive. So guys, the application is very useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.